It's July 1st. Woohoo! Time flies when you're having fun. Hey guys, how's it going? Well, I just got back from my bike ride. I actually ended up doing almost 12 miles today. It was kind of funny. I went to the usual spot, that's the 5-mile spot, and then I come back. It makes a 10-mile bike ride. And I did it early this morning because it's going to be warm today. It's already up to 85, and it's supposed to get up to 95 or maybe even more. But anyway, I was riding out on the highway and I thought, go another mile. So I don't know if it was quite a mile. I'm going to check it because I'm heading back out that way actually. But it's funny, the spot I went to is the same spot where a place want their windows painted. If I had known, I would have just stopped on my bike and talked to them, but I got a call on the way back. I was riding my bike. I like listening to that side trance music. It keeps me going, that pounding 160 to 180 beats per minute. Anyway, I got a call from them, and so I'm heading back out, and I'm going to give them a quote. And that's another job. That's the, let's see, I did, how many jobs? That's the third job I've gotten off the flyers. Because I got the one job, Jerry's, and then I actually directly off the flyers. Some of the jobs I left sketches, but pretty much off the flyers I actually got, I think, 4 jobs. This will be the 4th job, because I did Jerry's Restaurant, J.D. Slinger's Restaurant, Crown Collision Center, and oh no, this will be the 5th job. And then I just did what's that place called? The Grid. And now I'm doing some type of car sales place. So I've gotten 5 jobs. That's pretty good for someone who's retired. Anyway, I'm heading out there, and maybe I'll videotape the interaction with them. I'll see if they don't mind if I videotape. See you in a few minutes. Chino's Auto Sales, but they do a lot of other stuff here too, and that's why they want to paint these windows. They're going to be painting these with all the things that they offer, like propane, tires, easy financing, that kind of stuff. So I will be back, and I'm going to come in the afternoon because I'm going to wait till the sun passes over, because you don't want to paint this in direct sunlight. So I'm going to come back the day after 4th of July on Wednesday and do this. I told them $250. It's all just lettering. There's some balloons and things and stars, but nothing hard, so it should go pretty easy. So yeah, $250. I told them I would change it up too if they wanted me to change parts of it, like they're selling propane for $3.05 a gallon. I can come back and change that or whatever they need. So this should be a good account, and I'll bring lots of water with me because it's going to be in the hundreds, I think, or 100. Anyway, see you next Wednesday.